So hello everyone, myself Advocate Gautam Arswal, legal advisor at Dialyzy. Welcome to Dialyzy. Today in this video, I am going to discuss recently Supreme Court's decision in Chhabria judgment case. What happened in this case? Let's find out in this video. The Supreme Court of India has said that courts can allow or courts can grant default bail independent of and not relying upon Ritu Chhabra judgment. Why the court Supreme Court basically clarifies this. The Supreme Court of India on Friday said that basically Friday clarified that its interim order which directed that any application filed before any court any court seeking default bail on the basis of Ritu Chhabria versus Union of India and others should be deferred, shall not preclude any any trial courts or high courts from considering applications for grant of default bail independent of and without relying on the judgment of Ritu Chhabria case. So what is your opinion regarding this Supreme Court decision? Let me know in the comment section. If you agree with the decision, that's well and good. If you do not agree with the decision, why so? Let me know in the comment section the reason. I will discuss in the upcoming video on the same channel. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Because if you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe the channel Dialyzy, because we always come with some new legal legal ideas, legal news, and some business ideas on the same channel. Till then, bye bye. Take care.